Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Khan channel. So in this channel I am going to solve the problem of the day in LeetCode every day from starting today. So let's start today's problem. It is minimize the maximum paired sum in the given array. So if you read the problem statement, so we need to find the maximum paired sum in the nums array. So we have given a nums array a comma b comma c comma d. So from this pair, we need to find the maximum pair. So there, so we can generate the n into n pairs from this array, right? We can generate n into n in this array, but it is going to be out of n square complexity. So because like if we see the constraints, so n is less than or equals to 10 to the power of 5. So if we choose n square approach, it is going to be 10 to the power of 5 into 10 to the power of 5, which is greater than 10 to the power of 8. So we cannot solve it in the order of n square approach. So इसका meaning क्या है? So we cannot go with the brute force approach. So हमको एक approach choose करना है which is less than n square. So less than n square के क्या क्या term complexities होते हैं, which is order of n or order of n. So which is order of n log n. Okay, so let's go into the problem explanation. So problem में क्या बोल रहे हैं? So we have given an array nums, right? So we have to pair प्रॉब्लम में क्या बोल रहा है? हमको एक अरे दे गया है जिस नम्स लेंथ इज ऑलवेज इवन होता है, क्योंकि हमको इस नम्स अरे को पेयर्स में डिवाइड करना है, राइट? सो पेयर्स मतलब दो 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 दो. सो वी नीड टू डिवाइड इट इनटू पेयर. सो इसके लिए नम शुड ऑलवेज बी इवन. सो हर एक एलिमेंट को, जो नम्स में एलिमेंट्स होते हैं बी कमा सी कमा डी, सो हर एक एलिमेंट को इट शुड बी पार्ट ऑफ ए सिंगल पेयर. सो सिंगल पेयर दैट मीन्स ए कैन नॉट बी पार्ट ऑफ 2 or 3 डिफरेंट पेयर्स. सो हमको हर पेयर का सम निकालना है और उन सब में से मैक्सिमम सम कंसिडर करना पड़ता है. सो हर एक पेयर की सम निकालना है. लाइक इसकी सम होती है ए प्लस बी. सो ए कमा बी का पेयर का सम होता है ए प्लस बी. सो इन सारे पेयर्स का सम में मैक्सिमम सम को निकालना है. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल 3, 5, 2, 3. सो लेट्स चेक द ब्रूट फोर्स अप्रोच. ब्रूट फोर्स अप्रोच क्या होता है? वी हैव टू जनरेट ऑल पेयर्स इटरेटिंग द अरे. n क्रॉस n का देखते हैं. सो व्हाट आर द पॉसिबल पेयर्स इन दिस अरे? 3, 5, ओके, 3, 2, 3, 3, एंड देन अगर 5 से स्टार्ट होगा तो 5, 2, 5, 3. अगर 2 से स्टार्ट होगा तो 2, 3. सो इन सब के पेयर्स में व्हाट इज द मैक्सिमम पेयर? 5 + 8. So there is a pair which has maximum sum of 8. But in the question he said that we need to find the we need to minimize the maximum sum pair. So how we can minimize the maximum sum pair? Minimize the maximum sum pair. Okay, let's analyze why we got 8. Because 5 is paired with number 3, right? So 5 is the maximum number and 3 is the next largest number. Number is 3. So if we pair largest number with another largest number, so it eventually gives the maximum sum, right? So but we don't have to do that. We have to minimize it. So how we can minimize it? So when we pair maximum number, when we pair the maximum number with the minimum number, then we can minimize the total maximum, then we will get the total maximum number. So how we can do that? So for that one, we so either we can sort the array, right, and then we can apply the two pointers approach. Okay, let's apply this on this array itself: 3 comma 5 comma 2 comma 3, 3 comma 5 comma 2 comma 3. If we sort it, it becomes 2 comma 3 comma 3 comma 5. Okay, let's take 2-point approach. Always we take I as 0 1 2 3, j at the end. Okay, let's pair the smallest element in the array and the largest element in the array. 2 plus 5, which is equals to 7, right, which is equals to 7. This is the maximum. And then let's increase the I and let's decrease the j, which is 3 plus 3, which is 6. 6 is less than 7, so still the maximum number is 7. So we return the, so for this one maximum pair sum is 2 comma 5, which is 7. Okay, let's check the pseudocode. Pseudocode is, we have to sort the nums array, and then we have to initialize the variables like I is equals to 0, j is equals to nums dot length minus 1, and we have to track of the maximum sum every time. So let's take maximum sum as 0. Now what we have to do is we have to iterate till left is less than right. Oh, we are taking I again, so let's take I is less than j. We need to iterate till I is less than j, right? We cannot forward to I, because it eventually like pairs up, it will be duplicate pairs. So we'll only traverse until I is less than j. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to find the pair sum first. Pair sum is equals to nums of I plus nums of j, and then I need to update it with the maxsum. So maxsum will be math dot max of pair sum comma maxsum. So in each iteration we will update the pair sum. Once that is done, we will update the I, then we decrease the j. At the final we will return. Okay, let's pause the video here and try to do it yourself. Okay, try to write the code it yourself, and if you are not able to do it, I'm going to attach the solution at the end of this video. Please check that out, and I am going to give this notes also in the description. Please check that out. Thank you everyone.